G'day mate, it's Dave from Down Under here again, and now we're going to go through the HVAC controls for you to set the temperature right in your RV. This is critical to make sure it's cool, it's hot, everybody's happy, family's good, pets are good, all good. No settings behind the scenes on this one, or there is one. There's this thing called Celsius that we use down here in Australia, and it is getting a little bit cold as we head into winter right now. But rest assured, we got it figured for you Americans. It's Fahrenheit. Let me show you how it's done. You stay cool with us, get it? No trade tariffs from Mr. Trump, and we'll leave it in Fahrenheit, just for you. Let's have a closer look. All right, here we are. Now just quickly, this little settings button up here. Temperature settings. Yeah, there we go. We'll leave it on Fahrenheit for you. It's okay. But now you do know how to set it in case you really want to annoy the kids. Let's go back to our main menu. So here we are. We've got our climate power on, power off button. So this grays out in here when it's not actually in operation. And pressing the climate button will take it back to the previous settings that you had on just before you turned it off. So you can go into the climate here or via the menu over here on the left hand side. I'm going to sneak in this way. Alright, here we are. So you've got the temperature settings. So you can set it for a range of temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, I won't mess with your head on the Celsius. Pretty simple, up and down. But you may be wondering why there's two numbers. All right, for those who've got their hands up and are the ducks in the class, the 76 is what you've set it for. The -4 is what it's currently at. Obviously this is a demo mode and I'm not standing here in a polar fleece jacket. All right, modes. 4 modes. Cool. This will help you achieve the temperature you're trying to get to by bringing on the compressor if and when required. Cool Auto, that'll bring on the compressor and the fan at the one time to achieve the temperature you're trying to get to. Fan, no heat, no cool. Heat, I don't really think we need to explain that one. Let's go back. We can also set our fan settings. Low and high. We try and keep it simple. So there you have it. We can head back to our main screen. Turn it off. If you go in now, so you'll see that there are no blue highlighted areas. Turned on. So if we go back to our front page now, there it is. You can see it's turned on. All right, there you have it. Now your HVAC's going and your RV is either cool or hot. And so are you. See you next time.